Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back with another quick DIY tutorial from the Toyotress company. I have worked with them in the past and trust me, their hair is really good. If you're following me on Instagram, you've probably seen a passion twist pictures that I posted. The hair was from them and I was so excited when they reached out to me again to work with them on this beautiful butterfly crochet locks. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install it. So I'm going in right now to moisturize my hair. My hair is already washed. I'm just moisturizing with the olive cream, and I'm also brushing it out to stretch it out. I'm trying not to put too much heat on my natural hair. So this is like a protective style. So especially during this winter period, you need something to protect your hair from dry scalp and all of that. So this is a great style if you're looking for something quick to do and easy to install. I really do recommend this hairstyle. So I'm just brushing it out right now, and I will be putting in the link to everything I use for this tutorial. The hair and also the product I use can be found on my website, which is thebeautyon.com. So I'm just applying some edge control right now, and I'm also using some braiding hair to do the cornrow. That way it lasts longer. That way the braids underneath last longer. And I also have a more detailed tutorial on how to cornrow your hair. If you're interested in that as a beginner, please check that out on my channel. So I'm just braiding it. I'm following the lines that I parted, and I'm just gonna braid it all the way to the other side. I'm gonna join it together with another cornrow on the other side, and then I'm gonna braid it all together at the end to make it easy to tuck in. So I'm done with the installation, the cornrows. I'm just gonna start the installation of the hair right now. But before I do that, I'm gonna moisturize my hair once again just to make sure it's not dry underneath. So the hair comes with about 10 pieces in one bundle, and each bundle comes with about 7 packs. So I'm just installing the hair right now, and it also comes with a crochet needle hook, which is really good and makes it easy if you don't have one. So I'm tucking it into the hole, and I'm pulling it through towards my cornrow. That way it's secured, not extremely too tight. And as you can see, I was already feeling the strands. The one strands are ready. I really love the texture of the hair. I love the fact that it's handmade, and you can hardly tell it's crochet, like you see in the beginning of this video and at the end of this video. It looks so natural, and you trust me, and it's not heavy at all, which is one thing I really like about this hair. So like I said, once again, I will put in the information in the description box down below. Please check them out on Instagram as well, and also check out their website. They're also doing a giveaway right now, so check out their Instagram at Toyotress. And also, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave it down below in the comment section about this hairstyle or the hair, and I will definitely answer your questions. So here is the finished look, and I'm just gonna add some jewelries to spice it up a little bit. I used all the packs that comes the hair. You can use less, you can use more, depending on how full or not too full you like your hair. But this is the perfect look for me. It's not too full and it's not too scanty, is not all over the place, if you get what I mean. So just adding some hair jewelries. You can put anyone, it's your preference. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was detailed enough for you guys. And if you do, please don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button for more videos. And also leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about this hairstyle. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. I am definitely loving this hair. I'm feeling the hair, the texture, the volume, and everything is just perfect for the sweater, and it's not too long. It's the perfect length and everything. So it came in at the right time for me. And that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. And here's just a blooper of me taking a thumbnail pictures, and I was just filming myself. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and I will see you guys later. See ya. Bye.